Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another EliteCarbonLA YouTube video. Today we have this M340 in to get installed a bunch of cosmetic parts. Here we have gloss black side skirts and front lip. We have carbon fiber quad tips and carbon fiber rear spoiler. All of these parts we have available on our website on EliteCarbonLA.com. If you want to check it out in the description. We ship out parts here from California straight to you for many different BMW models and years and everything like that, so not just M340s. But this customer brought in this completely stock, brand new M340i. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, go ahead and show you the process of kind of like installing these little parts and everything like that. And the point of this video is really gonna be the transformation of this completely stock M340 to having some cosmetic parts put on it so you can see what it'll look like. So enough with the talking and let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, so let's start with the install for this left side skirt. As you can see, what I like doing is I like putting on some 3M tape on this specific side of the side skirt. And why I do that is to make it easier to install. We're just gonna go ahead and stick it on, make sure it's aligned up on that corner. Push it up. Kind of just follow along, make sure it's all aligned. Just like this. And then now, while it's like that, we'll go ahead and get our drill and our screw, and we'll drill in our first couple screws so really just hold it in place. So we went ahead and put a good 4 screws on that side. Now before I really continue putting the screws, I want to go ahead and align this end just to make sure it's all good and aligned. And then we can go ahead and continue on with the other screw holes. And that right there is gonna be this left side skirt installed. We use special screws that are made of stainless steel to hold all of our side skirts and lips up, which make them very sturdy and very strong. So anytime you bring something to us to install for you, you can know 100% that it is not gonna fall off or fly off at all. Now moving on to the front lip. I mean, this one is kind of like the other one. Kind of like the side skirt, sorry. When installing the front lip, what I like to do just to make it a little easier, especially if you're doing something like this by yourself, is I kind of like having a box kind of hold up this side of the lip while I do that side. And now this side is gonna be a little bit more tricky. I'll say with stuff like this, take your time if you're gonna be doing it at home. And there we go, just like that. We went ahead and finished the lip here. Got the lip on there real good. This lip is not gonna be going anywhere, nice and straight, aligned. But while we have this side jacked up, we're gonna go ahead and actually do this left quad tip right now. All right guys, now for this OEM tip, you might wonder why it's so bright. It's because when I get under here, it gets dark. So, as you can see under here, you're gonna wanna go ahead and take out this screw along with this 13 mil as well. Both of them, or sorry, I said 13 mil. I meant 11 mil. So once you get that, you're gonna want to take out the screw just like this, set it down. Same thing on this side. Hopefully I'm getting the angles good for you guys. Just like that. Now with both of those screws out, I should be wearing gloves, but what you're gonna wanna do is push the tip out and then it'll fall out of place and you're just gonna wanna pull it right out just like this. I'm gonna go ahead and install both the quad tips and the other side skirt, and then I'll go ahead and just show you how to do the rear spoiler just real quick, and then you guys will see the final result. All right, so we went ahead and finished up with the quad tips and the other side of the side skirt. Now we're gonna move on to the last thing, which is gonna be the spoiler. So for this spoiler, to remove this OEM tiny spoiler that comes on the M340s, the best way to do it is to get yourself the strongest fishing line that you can get. And when you get it, all you're gonna wanna do is kind of just put it in like this. Wear gloves for sure, because this does hurt a lot, because it puts a lot of tension on right here where these strings are. It really squeezes your fingers. But go ahead and slowly just start pulling it back and forth. This will not damage the paint at all, so you don't have to worry about that. But you still want to be careful. You don't want to go absolutely crazy. But go ahead and just keep going at it like this until you go all the way through. And then once you go all the way, you should just be able to grab it with one hand from like one side. Just kind of peel it off just like that. And now with all this excess 3M tape that comes on the little splitters, you're gonna wanna use a rubber wheel here with a drill. And you're gonna wanna basically just rubber wheel all of this out. This does take a while and does start hurting the forearm, so you're gonna wanna take some breaks. But let me get started. All right, guys, so the camera ended up dying before I can even show you the spoiler. But anyways, the whole car is done now. Everything is put on the car. As you can see, the front lip right here makes the front just look so much better. The side skirts are sleek, they're small. It does make a very big difference, but it's not a big like eyesore. It's not like a big thing someone will keep their eye on. And here we have the spoiler and the quad tips done as well, which really make the rear look so much more different. This customer told me he's definitely going to be coming back for the diffuser that we have up there, the 2 brake light one, and to black out the M340, to black out the front reflectors, and a bunch more stuff. So if you want to get some stuff done on your M340 or any BMW, go ahead and contact us on our Instagram or our phone number, 818-835-3683. Give us a call, text us, and we'll get you an appointment to come in so we can go ahead and install whatever parts you need onto your BMW, or you can go ahead and just order whatever parts you want on our website. Again, EliteCarbonLA.com. Check out the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys think about this and what you guys think about the parts and everything. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this one.